Title: The Sunnah of Ablution, a lesson in cleanliness and faith. Assalamu alaikum everyone, my dear viewers. Today we are beginning with a new hadith that teaches us a beautiful lesson in both physical cleanliness and spiritual purity. This hadith describes how Ibn Abbas, may Allah be pleased with him, performed ablution in the same way. He observed the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, doing it in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Chapter 7. To wash the face with both hands by a handful of water. The hadith, narrated by Atta bin Yasar, Ibn Abbas performed ablution and washed his face in the following way. He ladled out a handful of water, rinsed his mouth, and washed his nose by putting in water and then blowing it out. He then took another handful of water, joined both hands, and washed his face. Next, he took another handful to wash his right forearm and then did the same for his left forearm. He passed wet hands over his head and took another handful of water, pouring it over his right foot up to the ankle and washing it thoroughly. Similarly, he washed his left foot up to the ankle and said, I saw Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, performing ablution in this way. Lessons learned from the hadith. This hadith emphasizes the importance of following the Prophet's, peace be upon him, example in all matters, even in how we perform ablution. By observing each step closely, we learn the significance of precision, cleanliness, and care in preparing ourselves for prayer. Ablution, done as the Prophet did, reminds us of the deeper meaning of cleanliness, not only for our bodies but also for our hearts. As we approach Allah with humility and mindfulness, it shows that even small actions, when done as acts of worship, can elevate our intentions and bring us closer to Allah. Conclusion. From this hadith, we understand that every part of ablution is a reminder of the Prophet's way, and by following his sunnah, we purify both our outer and inner selves. Let us approach each step with intention, knowing that Allah values these efforts as acts of devotion and sincerity. May Allah grant us the understanding to truly embody the sunnah in all aspects of our lives, and may He accept our efforts and prayers. Ameen. My dear viewers, thank you so much for watching this video and for all the support you give to my channel. If you found this hadith valuable, please do share it with your family and friends. It's a beautiful way to spread knowledge and blessings. And if you'd like to keep seeing more inspiring and important lessons, please subscribe to the channel. Your support motivates me to bring more beneficial content for you, inshallah. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, I am truly grateful to each one of you. May Allah bless you all, protect you, and grant you success wherever you may be. Ameen. Until next time, wa alaikum assalam, and may peace and blessings be upon you all. Take very good care of yourselves.